Hello students, how are you? Hope you're doing great. Today we're going to work on Unit 3. Let's do sports. Remember, we were taking sports. This time we're going to review some activities and then we're going to work on something special. So let's try to work out this thing. Here we have pictures, right? We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and O, right? And each picture has got a sport or an activity or time, right? So we're going to match. Let's see. Letter A. This activity is to go rollerblading, to play basketball, to play football. Yes, to play football, right? So this is letter A. Letter B. What activity is this one? To play cards, to play tennis, to ride a bike? Is she riding a bike? To get up? Is she getting up? To have breakfast? Yum yum? I don't think so. To go to bed, to watch TV. Is it 5 o'clock? No tenemos un reloj ahí, así que no sabemos qué hora es. A quarter to 6, a quarter to 5, 5:30, or go to school. Yes, it was last one, to go to school, right? Letter B. Entonces las vamos a ir uniendo todas, right? The activity with the words. What's the problem here? There is a big problem. The problem are letter E, I, M, and O. So my question to you is, do you know how to tell the time in English? ¿Saben decir la hora en inglés? That's not easy, no es tan fácil. Today we're going to learn through this video how to do it. Vamos a aprender cómo hacerlo para que puedan hacer esta actividad y otras más, ¿ok? Let's tell the time in English. Let's see, here we have a clock, a watch or clock, and what time is it here? ¿Qué hora será acá? Do you have an idea? We have this long arrow here, which is pointing number 12, and we have the short one pointing number 1. La más larguita está apuntando el número 12 y la más cortita el número 1. So what time is it? It's 1 o'clock. O'clock, en punto. So, esta flechita pequeña me marca la hora, esta flechita larga me marca los minutos. Si está acá en las 12, significa las 12 de acá arriba, significa que es en punto, es una hora en punto, right? So it's 1 o'clock, right? It could be 2 o'clock, or 3 o'clock, or 4 o'clock, or 5 o'clock, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 10, or 11, right? What happens? ¿Qué pasa si esta flechita se mueve un poquito y queda acá? So what time is it now? It's not o'clock anymore. Ya no está en punto esta hora. Han pasado 5 minutos. So it's 5 past 1. Han pasado 5 minutos de la 1. Right? 5 minutos han pasado de la hora de la 1. It's 1. It's the hour 1. But we have 5 minutes past. 5 past 1. Great. Let's see what happens now. What happens if this line moves to number 2 here? What time is it now? Contemos cuántos minutos han pasado ahora. We have 5 and 10 minutes. Han pasado 10 minutos de las 1, right? Han pasado 10 minutos. So it's, what time is it? It's 10 past 1. Son 10 minutos pasado las 1. What happens if it moves again? We have 5, 10, 15. To say 15, talking about the hour, we're going to mention it as a quarter. A quarter. In Spanish we say something similar, decimos un cuarto. Entonces cada vez que estamos en 15 minutos para o 15 minutos después, we say a quarter. So a quarter, there you go, a quarter past 1. Han pasado un cuarto de hora de las 1 o 15 minutos de la 1, right? It's 1:15. And so on and so forth, and we continue counting. So now we have 1:05, 5:10, 1:15, 20. So now we have 20 minutes past 1. Han pasado 20 minutos de las 1, right? 20 past 1. It's 20 past 1. If it moves 5 more minutes, si mueve 5 minutos más, it's 25 past 1. What time is it? 25 past 1. Now, si se mueve hasta las 6, fíjense que aquí en las 6 ya estamos en la mitad de la hora. Han pasado la mitad de los minutos que tiene una hora, ¿cierto? Y solo me queda la otra mitad de minutos para que sea la hora siguiente, right? En español, you would say es la 1:30, porque es la media hora la que ha pasado. Es media hora la que ha pasado. In English, we use the same thing. And we say half. Half es la mitad o media, right? So it's 1/2 past 1. Half, media hora pasada las 1. 1/2 past 1. Now, what happens now is very important. De aquí en adelante, ya no van a ser minutos que han pasado, sino que van a ser los minutos que vamos a contar para que ñam ñam empiece la siguiente hora, right? Entonces, de aquí en adelante ya no vamos a decir que han pasado estos minutos, vamos a decir que me quedan tantos minutos para la hora siguiente, right? So, what time is it now? It's, let's see, it's 25 to 2. Son 25 minutos, o quedan 25 minutos para que sean las 2 ahora, ¿ya? Ya se me está acabando la hora de la 1 y estamos empezando a llegar a la hora de las 2. ¿Cuánto me queda para que sean las 2? 25 minutos. You count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 to para 2, las 2, right? 25 to 2. And every time we continue in this half of the clock, we follow the same rule. So now we have 20 to 2, right? Nos quedan 20 minutos para las 2. 20 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20. 22, 2. ¿Qué dijimos de las 15? No podemos decir it's 15 to 2. We're going to say it's 1/4 to 2. 5, 10, 15. 1/4 to 2. Son 1/4 para las 2. What time is it now? 5, 10. So 10 minutes to 2. It's 10 to 2. Nos quedan 10 minutos para que sean las 2. And ya no nos queda nada para que sean las 2. It's 5 minutes to 2. 5 to 2, right? Nos quedan 5 minutos para que sean las 2. There you go. Y finalmente, cuando llego acá ya, it's 2 o'clock, right? Son las 2 en punto. 2 o'clock. See, it's not that easy, but it's not that difficult either. Let's remember. O'clock, si está en punto, o'clock. 5 past, 5 pasado, la hora. 10 past, si tenemos este minutero acá, ya han pasado 10 minutos. Si tenemos el minutero acá, ya han pasado a quarter past. 20 past. Si está apuntando acá, 25 past. Y si apunta acá, ¿se acuerdan? Half past. 20 to 5. Ahora son 2, right? 22. Sorry, 25 to 22. 1/4 to. 10 to. Nos quedan 10 minutos para la siguiente hora. 5 to. Nos quedan 5 minutos para la siguiente hora. Right? So, the difference is here. Todo este lugar va a ser past, son los minutos pasados. Todo este otro van a ser los minutos que me quedan para la hora siguiente. Right? Great. So let's try now to practice all these things, okay? Let's see if we can practice a little. So here we have a worksheet and we're going to write the hour. Vamos a partir con lo más fácil que es o'clock, right? So here in number 1, he gets up at 7 o'clock, right? In number 2, he has breakfast or I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Number 3, I go to school at 9 o'clock, correct. Number 4, I have lunch at 12 o'clock, right? Or midday. Esto sería el mediodía, right? Midday. Number 5, I go home at 4 o'clock. I have dinner at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth at 8 o'clock. And I go to sleep at 9 o'clock. Okay? So you're going to write down the action. Vamos a escribir la acción y la hora. Okay? And here you're going to read and you're going to write the number. So here we have number 1. What time do you get up? I get up at 6:15, un cuarto pasado las 6, o las 6:15 como decimos en español. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9:15. So, which picture are we talking about? She gets up at 6:15 and she goes to bed at 9:15. ¿Qué imagen será? Letter A, B, C or D. Van a leer la hora y van a poner la letra que corresponda. O le vamos a poner, perdón, el número en la letra que corresponde. Right? Number 2. I get up at 6:15. What time do you I get up at 6:15. What time do you get up? That's early. I get up at 6:45. Okay. So I get up at 6:15, right? 6:15. Una de las niñas se levanta a esa hora y la otra se levanta a 6:45, right? 6:15 y la otra a 6:45. Son dos niñas distintas. Ojo con la número 2. Number 3. What time do you have a shower? I have a shower, me ducho, at 7:45. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed, voy a la cama at 8:30. Entonces vamos a buscar estas acciones y las correspondientes horas, right? And number 4, what time do you brush your teeth? Se lava los dientes. What time do you brush your teeth? I brush my teeth at 7 o'clock in the morning and at 8 o'clock at night. Esa está muy fácil, right? Great. And I think that's it, guys. We're going to continue practicing. Vamos a seguir practicando esto en clases, right? Because it's not that easy. But so far, I think you'll do okay. Thank you so much and see you in class. Bye.